Welcome. If your phone keeps buzzing every time you get a private message on Telegram and you'd rather keep things a bit more discreet, this quick update will show you exactly how to turn off vibration for private chats. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner, or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, head into Settings. This is where Telegram lets you customize how notifications, sounds, and privacy options behave. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, including tones, pop-ups, and vibrations. Now, tap on Private Chats. This is important because Telegram lets you manage notifications separately for private messages, groups, and channels. Since we're focusing on one-on-one chats, this is the section you want. Once you're in Private Chats, look for the Vibrate option and tap on it. You'll see a few different vibration choices depending on your device. To completely stop your phone from vibrating for private messages, select Disabled. As soon as you choose this option, Telegram will stop triggering vibration for incoming private chat notifications. That's it. From now on, you'll still receive notifications, but without the vibration, making things quieter and less distracting. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to the same setting and pick a different vibration pattern. This small tweak can make a big difference, especially if you want fewer interruptions during work, meetings, or when your phone is on a desk.